Creating beautiful corner flower beds can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your garden, transforming an ordinary outdoor space into a vibrant oasis. Corner flower beds, often overlooked, offer a unique opportunity to showcase a diverse array of plants, colors, and textures, adding depth and dimension to your landscape. In this article, we will explore various design inspirations to help you craft stunning corner flower beds that captivate and inspire. One of the most effective ways to create beautiful corner flower beds is through the use of layering. By selecting plants of varying heights, you can create a dynamic and eye-catching display. Taller plants, such as delphiniums or hollyhocks, can serve as a striking backdrop, while mid-sized blooms like echinacea or daisies can fill in the middle layer. Finally, ground covers or shorter flowers, like pansies or creeping thyme, can be used to soften the edges and create a lush foreground. Incorporating plants that offer seasonal interest will ensure your corner flower beds remain visually appealing throughout the year. Choose a mix of perennials that bloom at different times, along with evergreens that provide structure during the colder months. For instance, spring bulbs like tulips and daffodils can be followed by summer favorites such as lilies and sunflowers, while autumn brings the rich hues of ornamental grasses and fall blooming asters. Color is a powerful tool in garden design. When planning your corner flower beds, think about how different colors can evoke various moods. A harmonious palette of blues and purples can create a calming atmosphere, while vibrant reds and yellows can energize the space. Consider using a color wheel to help you select complementary or analogous colors that will enhance the overall aesthetic of your garden. Beautiful corner flower beds are not just about flowers. Incorporating various textures and foliage can add depth to your design. Consider mixing plants with different leaf shapes and sizes, such as the broad leaves of hostas paired with the delicate fronds of ferns. Additionally, plants with variegated or textured leaves can provide visual interest even when flowers are not in bloom. To elevate your corner flower beds further, integrate hardscaping elements like decorative stones, pathways, or edging. These features can define the space and create a structured look that complements the natural beauty of the flowers. Consider using a curved pathway to lead visitors through your garden, or install a small trellis or arched arbor adorned with climbing plants to create a focal point. Lastly, designing beautiful corner flower beds can also include considerations for local wildlife. Incorporate native plants that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, and consider adding a small water feature or bird bath to encourage birds and other wildlife to visit. Not only will this enhance the biodiversity of your garden, but it will also create a lively, dynamic environment that changes with the seasons. In conclusion, beautiful corner flower beds offer a wealth of potential for enhancing your garden's design. By incorporating layering techniques, seasonal interest, thoughtful color schemes, diverse textures, hardscaping elements, and wildlife-friendly features, you can create stunning corner flower beds that inspire both you and your visitors. Embrace your creativity and let your garden flourish with these design inspirations.